Hello everyone. Now in this video we will do the recalling or we can say a short revision of triangles and its type. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग अपना शुरू कर लेते हैं हमारी ट्रायंगल के बारे में. Actually it is the smallest polygon of all the polygons. It has three sides which we can say name A, B and C. So when we are talking about the line segments, so we have AB. AB is first line segment, we have BC, BC is second line segment, and third we have AC. We have three line segments AB, BC and CA. After that we are talking about the vertices. Vertices means where the two line segments are joining, point A, point B and point C. We have 3 points with us, and when we are talking about the angles, when the two line segments meet together, that's angle A, angle B and angle C. So these are the basic concepts for the triangle in which we can learn about the line segments, about the angles and about the vertices. In the second part, we have concept of altitude and median. It's an altitude and median. So what's the difference between that? So we will learn with the help of the triangle. When we are talking about the altitude, it's a perpendicular which we just starting from the one vertex and go to the opposite side and make a right angle. You can say that I am taking a thread, and with the help of thread you can see that it's making a 90-degree angle. It means it's a altitude. And when we are talking about the median of a triangle, so median of a triangle, bachcho, in this part we have to do just shift our line segment to there. It is not making a perpendicular, but here it is just divide the opposite side into two equal parts. It means जहाँ मेरे बच्चों यहाँ डॉट लगाया मैंने अपने थ्रेड को वहाँ ले जा रहा हूँ, तो आप थ्रेड्स पे देख सकते हैं both sides are equal, मतलब ये नीचे वाली लाइन सेगमेंट्स को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. So now we have two concepts here. First is altitude and second is median. Altitude को हम लोग height of a triangle भी बोलते हैं और इसका हम यूज करते हैं एरिया फाइंड करने का. In our third part, we will learn and we will do the recalling of the concept of types of triangles. See, when we are talking about the types of triangles, so we have two bases for finding the types of triangle. First basis, according to the sides, means with the help of the sides we can find what's the name of the triangle and how we can identify the triangle. Second, we have types of triangle with the help of the angles. So first of all we will start by the basis of sides, with the help of the sides. Number one, we have a scalene triangle. Second, we have equilateral triangle, and third we have isosceles triangle. So I am showing you the example. My first example, equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle we have a property that all sides are equal and all angles are of 60 degree, means all angles are also same. So that's called the equilateral triangle according to the basis of the side if we are talking about. Second, we have a isosceles triangle. So with the property of isosceles triangle, we have three sides but only two sides are equal. These two sides are equal and the base angles are equal. These are the two green which I am showing to you. These are the base angles. They both are equal. Yes, and the two sides are equal. That's called the isosceles. और इसको हम short में बोल सकते हैं. अगर हम बोले इसका नाम isosceles. We have two eyes. It means this triangle की दो sides बराबर हो, वो हमारा isosceles triangle कहलाता है. Now third, we have scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle, all sides are different. All sides are different and all angles are also different. That's called the scalene triangle. So now here we have the three types of triangles with the help of the side. First is the equilateral triangle, second is isosceles triangle, and the third is a scalene triangle. After the same series, we have on the basis of angles. And we are talking about the basis of angles. We have acute angle triangle, we have obtuse angle triangle, and the third one we have right angle triangle. So we will starting with our acute angle triangle. Now you can see here I made a triangle with 30 degree, 80 degree and 70 degree. Yes, so this is the acute angle triangle, means all angles must be acute. So this is my first triangle. It's an acute angled triangle. Now second we are coming on right angle triangle. The property is this, that one angle must be right angle. One angle must be right angle. That's called the right angled triangle. And now we're talking about the third one. As a name is showing, that is the obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angles mean one angle must be obtuse angle. Obtuse angle mean more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That's the obtuse angle. So now this is my obtuse angle. So now we have learned. Now I am just doing the first one more recalling with us. Triangles with the help of the sides and triangle with the help of the angles. With the help of the sides we have equilateral, all sides equal. Isosceles, two eyes we have. So isosceles means two sides are equal. Scalene, all sides are different. Now talking about the basis of angle. We have an acute angle triangle. It means all angle must be acute. Second, we have a right angle triangle. Means one angle must be right angle, 90 degree. And the third, we have an obtuse angle. It means one angle must be obtuse angle. Thank you so much.